Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. So in all my sessions, I talk a lot about CLAT strategies, a lot of current affairs, a lot of syllabus sort of issues, and a lot of solutions to your problems for all the law entrance exams. But in this particular session, I am here to discuss something very important that a lot of us must know and a lot of us wanted to understand for a very long period of time, is that the latest Supreme Court judgment, which is very casually mentioned as to why is there no permanent committee or no permanent authority to conduct the CLAT exam. So just to take you a little back, in 2008, that is when the common law admission test or CLAT had started. उससे पहले भी NLUs तो थे, है ना? NLUs were established, you would say 20 years before that. 1987 में NLS Bangalore had started. So how did the selections of students happen then? So at that point in time, all the national universities used to conduct their own exam. That carried on till 2007. By then, there were 8 national universities in India, so they had their own exam. But in 2008, they decided to come together and do a common exam called the CLAT. From 2008 till 2019, the authority to conduct the CLAT were these national law university itself. Okay, so on the basis of which law university was established earlier, they were given the chances. For example, NLS was the first law school, so it conducted the CLAT 2008. Similarly, multiple other NLUs got chances over a period of time, and they started conducting their own exam, and they used to get that sort of autonomy or freedom to decide on the difficulty level of the paper, the kind of questions to be given in the paper. All of that were their own. You could say autonomy भी बोल सकते हो या उनका अपना खुद का will भी बोल सकते हो कि वो अपने हिसाब से देते थे, right? अब the problem with this system from 2008 till 2019 was that a particular NLU was not accountable for multiple years in making paper. Neither did they have any sort of experience. आपके पास एक साल पेपर आएगा, आप उसको अच्छा बनाओ, खराब बनाओ, it will get passed on to the other person. So every single year, there were multiple issues. There were multiple, you could say, irregularities with the answer keys, multiple wrong questions, no transparency, no sort of grievance redressal system. Now that created a lot of problem, and students who wrote CLAT every year were at the mercy of these NLUs as to what kind of system would they be creating. Now that obviously is very problematic. Your future decides on an exam like this, but this exam is so uncertain. So in 2015, Professor Shamnath Bashir, he's also a graduate of National Law University, Bangalore, and he's also the owner or the founder of this very popular NGO called IDIA. IDIA also, you could say, teaches a lot of people in various law schools. आप किसी भी law school में जाओगे, खासकर जो NLUs हैं, वहाँ पर there are particular IDIA scholars जो कि IDIA की help से CLAT की preparation कर पाए, and the college की fees also is paid by the IDIA. So it's working for a very noble cause. There are multiple students in law schools who teach these students for CLAT. I have myself taught these students for CLAT while I was in NLU Jodhpur, right? So काफी अच्छा उनका, you could say, image था around the country in this particular sphere. He went to the Supreme Court and said in 2015 that CLAT is problematic. Every year there are multiple mistakes. There have been years wherein exam का result ही गलत आ गया. ठीक है, रिजल्ट वापस से आया है, मतलब इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स थी क्लैट के साथ में. तो ही सेड कि देयर इज नो कमिटी दैट कंडक्ट्स इट. एवरी ईयर देयर मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स, मल्टीपल मिस्टेक्स इन द पेपर. देयर इज नो ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. देयर इज नो, यू कुड से, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ टू गो अबाउट द एग्जाम. है ना, कि कुछ भी पेपर आ जाता है, किसी भी साल आ जाता है, कभी आउट ऑफ सिलेबस ही आ जाता है, कुछ दे ही नहीं रखा है ना. Also, the examination entrance application fees is too much. The fees that started at around 1,500 rupees in 2008 went on to 4,000 rupees in 2014-15, and till now it is the same. It's 4,000 rupees, which is much higher as compared to other Indian entrance exams like the IIT JEE or the NEET exam, so on, right? तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा इशू था. The court looked into this issue. Court asked the government कि इसका क्या करना चाहिए. In 2016, the HRD ministry came up with the reply to Supreme Court and said कि we have got nothing to do with it. CLAT के institutions, which is the national universities, have been made in such a way that they have complete autonomy to conduct whatever they want. इनके जो bylaws हैं, मतलब the constitution with which these universities are made, उनमें लिखा हुआ है that they have full autonomy or full freedom to decide their own curriculum. They have complete freedom to decide as to what kind of exams they want to do, how do they want to do that, right? 200 नंबर का पेपर होता था टिल 2019, अगेन वो 2 years का होता था. Very difficult to understand how to do away with those problems that were there. एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताता हूँ. CLAT 2015 was the first paper that they decided कि यार we are in a technology वाला era now, so we should conduct the paper online. Okay? इससे क्या होगा कि जो पेपर के कई बार ऐसे लीक के जो रूमर्स आते हैं ना, वो सब भी खत्म हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो 2015 में उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया. 15, 16, 17, 18. अब प्रॉब्लम ये था that they were never able to keep up the quality of all the centers. Exam earlier used to happen in May. Scorching heat में exam होता था and they never knew कि क्या उसकी quality होगी, क्या उसका तरीका होगा. And that was a big problem again, right? So that is why उन 4 सालों में फिर कोर्ट में multiple cases हर साल आते रहे. I myself wrote an online CLAT. सेंटर पे जाके होता था but on their own computers. My computer shut down for good 7 to 8 minutes. I had no idea what to do in that time, and that was the problem with so many other students and not just me. I sometimes feel that I was just lucky enough that I could concentrate in the remaining time. I could get to a top law school, but there were multiple people who genuinely choked because they couldn't understand कि क्या करें. They panicked so much कि पूरे पेपर में वो पैनिक चलता रहा उनका. Right? That was a big problem. So 2018 में Supreme Court also realized this. They passed the judgment on the Shamnath Basir's petition, which was filed in 2015, and they said the CLAT needs to have a proper committee that conducts this exam. There has to be some sort of a permanent body. Like NEET is conducted by the NTA, the National Testing Agency. Similarly, CLAT की बात भी होनी चाहिए. ये orders pass किए गए. CLAT 2019 को फिर ऑफलाइन किया गया because they realized कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा है ना, ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है. ऑनलाइन में एक बहुत बड़ा स्कैम भी बाहर निकल के आया. So year was 2018 when the online exam happened for the last time. There were 54,000 students roughly that were sitting for the exam. So if you count 54,000 into 4,000, the revenue from this exam was roughly 21 crore 60 lakh. But the vendor who they hired would be conducting the exam around the country and making sure that the online exam is conducted properly. They gave that vendor 1 crore 13 lakh rupees. So nobody had any idea where that 20 crore rupees went. So there were a lot of financial irregularities as well. There was no transparency. And that was also one of the very important things that Shamnath Bashir's petition had there. Although Shamnath Bashir की petition पहले आ गई थी, but ये issues हमेशा से थे कि transparency ही नहीं है. कहाँ गया वो पैसा बाकी का? क्या उसको किस चीज में यूज किया जा रहा है? Nobody knew कहाँ गया. Right? उसके बाद में ये डिसाइड किया गया आफ्टर CLAT 2019 दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लेट दीज इंडिविजुअल यूनिवर्सिटीज डू द पेपर बिकॉज वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ कंसोर्टियम. Consortium is basically group of NLUs coming together and together deciding on how the paper should be conducted, what should be the pattern and all. So what they did was from the old pattern, they brought a new pattern. They did not change the sections. They reduced the number of questions from 120 to 150 and उसके बाद में they made the question slightly lengthy, more comprehensive. The major problem with this pattern was it clearly suited the needs of students who have had very good English medium schooling. अगर आप एक टॉप दिल्ली के स्कूल से हो, अगर आप एक टॉप बॉम्बे, टॉप बैंगलोर के स्कूल से हो, यू हैव अ क्लियर चांस ऑफ क्रैकिंग दिस एग्जाम बेटर देन अदर एस्पिरेंट्स. Very clearly, it's a very English heavy paper. Although now 5 to 6 years have passed, those students obviously clear have an advantage, but still other people have cracked how to clear this exam. So that is why this exam has become everybody's exam now in the last 5-6 years. But for the first 2 years, the exam was very difficult to be cracked by those students who have had very, you could say, non-English background और English जो towns का English medium school होता है, उस तरीके का background था, तो बहुत difficult था उन लोगों के लिए. But anyway, the exam continued. The paper had again 1 or 2 issues because consortium भी क्या करता था? There was one NLU within the consortium that would decide what paper would come, what questions would come in that paper. Like in CLAT 2025, it was CNLU Patna that made the paper. तो बात तो वही हो गई है ना. पहले क्या करते थे आप? अलग अलग करके गलतियां करते थे. अब आप साथ में मिलकर गलतियां करते हो, है ना. NLU तो एक ही है जो पेपर बना रहा है. तो वहां पर प्रॉब्लम्स आने लगी. They conducted a couple of very good papers though. Right? CLAT 2020 was a very good paper they conducted for the first time. It was COVID-stricken year. They had to wait a lot. NLS एक बार CLAT से अलग हो गया, फिर वापस आ गया. Multiple चीजें हुई उस साल. CLAT 2023, I would say, was one of the most, like one of the very good CLAT papers that they gave. It was not very difficult also, but it was something that only people who were prepared well would clear it. There were no, you could say, incorrect questions in the exam. So everything was going fine. People felt okay, now there's some sort of stability in the exam. Then came CLAT 24. CLAT 24 was one of the easiest, you could say. Easy में problem नहीं है. Easy is not an issue कि भाई हमने exam easy को दे दिया, वो तो examiner की मर्जी है. irrelevant questions, wrong questions at times. ठीक है, करंट अफेयर्स पर्टिकुलरली एक सेक्शन है जिसके मैं बहुत क्लोज मानता हूं अपने से उस सेक्शन को. Answers of current affairs की questions are given in the passages. What is the point of the section if you want to do that? Apply your mind. These are some of the top academicians in the country who are making the paper. ठीक है, we thought okay it was a one-off year. They did something wrong. Let's move on to the next year. We'll try CLAT 2025, and CLAT 2025 came out to be the biggest disaster in the CLAT's history. Multiple questions wrong. CLAT not agreeing as usual that there were questions wrong. Cases filed in various courts. The result delayed for more than 5 months. And all of you have been witnessing what's happening with CLAT 2025. I'm not trying to scare anybody here, but what after this particular thing has happened is consortium has now able to understand that it cannot conduct an exam because it does not have the expertise. The people that it's hiring to make these question papers are not good enough. Supreme Court also agreed to this part that consortium नहीं करवा पा रहा है CLAT exam. ये बहुत बड़ी problem है. And why do we not have a committee that can conduct this exam really properly, that can do really well with this exam? So you would see that recently Supreme Court came to this point that CLAT needs to be conducted by a proper authority, like there is NTA for NEET, CLAT के लिए कुछ होना चाहिए, है ना? तो अब क्वेश्चन ये आ गया कि क्या consortium of NLUs खत्म हो जाएगा, है ना? Will they no more be conducting the exam moving forward? And there's a lot of panic around it. So first very important thing to keep in mind is unless and until the government takes an action और Supreme Court पीछे ही पड़ जाए तो ये होगा. Secondly, if the consortium of NLUs themselves decide कि we are not good enough और कोई अपने आप को इतना मानना नहीं चाहता कि we are not good enough, they would still conduct the paper for CLAT 2026 at least, right? In case the authority gets changed, nothing is going to change. Paper is going to happen the way it's happening. Yes, they could change number of questions. 120 की जगह बोल देंगे 130 होंगे, हो सकता है 100 होंगे. They can do that, but that does not change anything. और mostly तो ये भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो बेसिक सा पैटर्न चेंज होता है, बेसिक सा कभी कभी सिलेबस चेंज होता है, वो थोड़ा सा चीजों को बेटर कर सकते हैं, बट दैट डजंट डिसाइड एनीथिंग, है ना? इवन इफ देयर इज एन अथॉरिटी लाइक एनटीए, हमने देखा था नीट 24 में क्या हुआ था, इट वाज सो वियर्ड. काफी सारे स्कैम की खबर आई थी, पेपर लीक की खबर आई थी. नीट 2025 इज द टफेस्ट नीट इन द एंटायर हिस्ट्री ऑफ नीट. सो दैट इज व्हाई यू नेवर नो. आई मीन द एग्जामिनर्स वो कहां से पेपर बना रहे हैं हमें कभी पता नहीं. तो इसीलिए even if consortium is changed, there will be a new authority, they will keep making this paper. But one thing, after multiple court cases, because cases ना कभी इतने deep नहीं हुए थे कि एक एक questions को पकड़ लिया aspirants ने और बार बार वो कोर्ट में जा रहे हैं, बार बार ये कर रहे हैं. Yes, a lot of people suffered because of this. I understand you guys have been waiting for the results for a very long period of time. But the good thing this has done for you is CLAT consortium will always keep the year 2025 in mind. And they will ensure that they hire good people and there are multiple checks and balance system. Multiple checks हो रहे हैं, नहीं कि पेपर बना और चलो अब ये पेपर को रह लेते हैं. Multiple checks होंगे उस पेपर के, multiple बार उसको देखा जाएगा कि पेपर सही बना है नहीं बना है, उसको solve किया जाएगा and only then this paper would be sent for the aspirants to be done. पेपर easy आएगा या difficult आएगा ये अभी कोई नहीं बता सकता, but ये बहुत अच्छी बात है और ये बहुत पक्की बात है. Paper is now going to be of a very good quality. So we don't know what future holds, but you don't have to panic. Don't worry कि अगर चेंज भी कुछ होता है, nothing much is going to change. From CLAT 2019 to CLAT 2020, कुछ पैटर्न चेंज हुआ था, पेपर थोड़ा लेंथी बना था, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन लेकिन कम हो गए थे. एंड व्हेन इट चेंजेस फॉर एवरीबडी. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि भाई एक इंसान को आपसे 2 महीने पहले पता चल गया था और उसने उसी टाइम प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दी थी नए पैटर्न से. एवरीबडी विल गेट टू नो अबाउट द सेम ऑन सेम डेट. एंड मोस्टली मुझे ऐसा लगता है एग्जाम में, क्योंकि और बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है, वी हैव 6.5 months लेफ्ट, तो इसमें वो बहुत चेंजेस नहीं लाते हैं, है ना? They don't change too much at the last, so they can do that. कभी-कभी ऐसे होते हैं कि एग्जाम के डेट चेंज कर देते हैं, है ना? कि भाई दिसंबर में नहीं होगा, वापस मई में होगा. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू assumptions कि क्या-क्या चेंजेस हो सकते हैं. तो डोंट वरी टू मच अबाउट इट. अभी तो एग्जाम दिसंबर स्टार्टिंग में ही होगा, 120 क्वेश्चंस का ही होगा, 120 मिनट्स का ही होगा, ऑफलाइन मोड में ही होगा, CLAT कंसोर्टियम ही करवाएगा. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव फॉर CLAT 2026. If there are any updates, I'll be the first one to inform you about it, so don't worry about it. Right? All the best, guys. Keep working hard, keep preparing for this exam, and I'm pretty sure that the papers that are going to come in the coming years are certainly going to be better than what we saw in the last 2 years. Definitely. All the best, guys.